Hi, Noah. What's wrong?
It's raining outside,
Yeah?
and I can't play.
Oh, I get it. You're stuck indoors because of the rain. Well, Noah, I might have a little song that would help you out right now. You can have fun anytime in the sun, but you have to use your brain in the rain. Storm clouds might come before the day's done, so let's ride the make-believe train.
Am I supposed
The
to...
make-believe train, the make-believe train. Let's ride the make-believe train. The make-believe train, the make-believe train. Let's ride the make-believe train.
Okay, I'll give it a shot.
Awesome! All right, let's use our imaginations to have some fun. See this pencil? No, that's not a pencil, because with our imaginations we can make it anything. Like we can make this pencil an ink pen. Oh, look out! You can't erase this! Oh, pretty fun, huh? Oh, ooh. See these chairs we're sitting in? They sure do look like white and brown striped chairs, don't they? But what if we use our imaginations to turn them into red chairs? Whoa! Good times, right?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Is there a gas leak in your office?
Yeah, why?
No reason.
Look out, Noah! I'm imagining you're 1 inch taller. See you, buddy. See you next week. Rainy day train, make-believe train. Train with a make-believe